let's see. So I got the Nature's Blossom Sow and Grow 4 Bonsai Trees Kit. It came with, I think, 7 seeds of 4 different trees. So it came 7 each for the Jacaranda, the Pinus Aristata, the Ficus Religiosa and Picea Mariana. Don't really know the names of them that well, but this is the best one I have growing so far. This is a Ficus Regia, and I think getting into the next stage of growing, so I'm getting one of these little branches here with extra leaves. All of these I planted on Valentine's Day. I soaked them the night before, and then I planted them. Since then I've moved a couple of them into like strainer-like bowls because I saw a video on air pruning, so I'm going to try that with this one. And this one here, that's one of the really hard seeds. It started to sprout and grow, but the seed never fell off. So I cut the seed off myself, which cut into one of the big leaves at the bottom. See, it's the same as this one. See those big green leaves there? But this one still has the seeds on the bottom, but this other one over here, it was inside the seed for so long those were decaying. So one got cut off and the other one ended up falling off. But it's still growing. It's still green. It's still producing leaves. Got little leaves sprouting out all over it. So hopefully that one will keep going. This one I planted about a month after that one. So this one is growing really well. I'm excited. Starting to get a new branch. Multiple leaves on it. And this is the one I cut the seed off, and the large leaves on the bottom fell off. But it's still growing. It's getting little branches, some little leaves there, and it looks like there's some new leaves coming in. I don't think I can focus on it, but a couple new little leaves there. This one looks like the leaves are dying on it, but it's getting roots growing out the bottom root, and inside the leaves there you can see the green leaves growing. So this one's still going. Hopefully it'll continue.
Yeah,
here are the Pinus Aristatas. I had 5 grow from one pot. Put them in a bigger pot, so maybe as I get bigger I can move them to another one.
Pants.
They're looking pretty good. And here I have the Picea Mariana. Only one of those sprouted and grew. So hopefully that'll keep going. The only one in the kit that didn't have any seeds that grew was the Jacaranda. So I don't know what happened with that, because I got all the other ones to at least sprout one. But so far so good. They're growing.